Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin Forerunner 245 or 245 music tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on your Garmin Forerunner 245. Doing this can be useful if the watch is having issues after you've set it up, or if it's starting to act strange or having issues connecting with your phone. In addition to performing a factory reset, you can also use these steps to delete all the activity history, as well as reset just the settings. So let's go in and get started. The first thing you need to do is simply hold the up button from the watch face, and then select the up button one more time and select System using the Start and Stop button top right. After that, we need to select the up button until we see Reset, and then select Reset. So in here we have four different options. The first is Reset Default Settings. That will leave all of your data on the watch. It'll just reset all the settings to their default mode. This can be useful if you've changed something and you don't know how to change it back. After that, we have Delete All Activities, and this will just remove all the activity history from the watch. Next, we have Reset Totals, and this will reset all of the totals for distance, anything like that from the Garmin Forerunner 245. And then finally, we have Delete Data and Reset Settings. This will delete all of the user data from the watch and reset it just like it was brand new out of the box. So I'll go ahead and do that. Select that. And then it's giving you a quick warning that this is going to completely reset and delete everything. Select down to continue, and then I'm going to select yes. So if you see the Garmin icon right here, that means you've successfully started the reset. Once you see it prompting you to select the language, that means the reset has been successful and you need to go through the process of setting up the Garmin Forerunner 245. If you don't know how to do that, check the link in the description because I have a tutorial going over that as well. So that's how you perform a factory reset of your Garmin Forerunner 245 or 245 music. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin Forerunner 245 music tutorial videos, check the link in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.